Good medical morning. I'm Watson, and today I'm going to show you some of my favorite pimple pops from Reddit, Instagram, and all around the web. I'll also ask you to click the notification bell for all our pimple popping updates. So why would you want to click the notification bell? When you click that bell and select all updates, that means you'll see all of our videos, even the more graphic pops and age-restricted ones. It will also allow you to see our community posts and more extreme content that otherwise is hidden from the viewing public. All you have to do is click on the notification bell on your device and select all updates. We never really requested this before, so only about 7% of our viewers get all our bonus popping, cyst bursting, and medical procedures. That's a shame. For example, if you would have clicked the notification bell last week, you might have seen this cyst removal. Again, some of the more graphic cyst removal procedures are only available through notifications. So click that notification bell today, you won't be disappointed. Don't forget to check out our favorite blemish removal toolkit. This beautiful 7-piece set is available on Amazon and will fulfill all your popping needs. It has a lancet for big jobs, a spade for those hard-to-reach corners, the cone extractor for big jobs, and loops of various sizes. This kit has everything you need to start popping like a pro. Each one has been hand-inspected for quality, and the case keeps them stylish and discreet. Don't be fooled by flimsy, low-end knockoffs. Pick up yours today by using the Amazon link below. Thanks for watching.